Hilti when getting the everything I need from my garage. I found the drill itself, and I think I can assemble it. It was in the couple of the boxes, one with the housing, one with the garage, and so on and so on. So I will try to figure out how to get it completely assembled and working. And you can see that we have the all main parts. We have the housing, the back roller, we have the gear assist, the armature with the field. Of course they need to be washed. I have the housing and I have the leaf spring. Now I put the leaf spring here in the housing. The second thing I want to do is to put the switch with all the carbon brushes, carbon brush holder unit, and so on. Insert the terminal, the LED light. Just making sure that the LED light wires will go in a gap here. The switch, the direction change button. And we have the switch with the all the other parts inserted. So now it's our joke unit and the armature time. I clean out the commutator of the armature with just sandpaper. We have the groove here in the field. It must go here and a bump. So here goes the groove, here goes the armature, and spinning the groove down. I'm inserting the armature into the carbon brush holder unit. Just making sure everything will fit. Yep, I think it will fit. Okay, now we have our gear assist, the speed changer. We have the two springs here, and we need to put a pin here into one of the springs inside, like that, and we have the speed changer installed. Now inserting the armature into the gear assist. For our groove on the joke unit. Of course, mess up all the parts. Okay, now we can make sure that the wires not go to the housing and we will not damage them by closing the housing. The switch is working mechanically, electrically we will know. Now closing the housing. And it's always hard for me to insert the pins. Okay, got them, and they're imported because they are holding the carbon brush plates here in place. Now just putting the cover, screwing the screws, and I will take my battery. It's fully charged, almost fully charged, and okay, yeah, you can see that the switch is working, the gear switch, the clutch is working, and yep, our chuck is working too. And for the chuck, of course, if you want to renew it, you can just take the brush and turn the wheel on. For example, the taking a brush like this. Here you can see that the rust is removing easily. Yep, so it seems that I had a good wheel, of part of the wheel, and sanded, and now it's a nice and a good wheel.